Today we are back on the requests for the appliance horror shorts. This one has been submitted by Kelly on the channel, and she said air conditioner. Get ready for this title. Air conditioner, colon. A horror short made in under an hour. Let's check it out. Kelly, this is your fault. I'm doing this on the stream. Air conditioner, a horror short made in under an hour. It is 3 minutes long. Okay, we've got another shaky camera. Ooh. Ooh. If this counts down to like 20 and then it goes off, I'm not going to be happy. Number 4, air conditioner. We're 22 seconds into a 3-minute 30 horror shot and all we've seen is numbers. Five? No. He's an AC/DC fan. Wouldn't it be funny if he got killed by electricity now? Air conditioner. How's the air conditioner going to kill him? It's 11:47, 48 on the clock. Is that relevant? Do people still do that in this day and age? Have their wallet tied to a chain on the belt? I know it's like a security thing, but is that still done? Mind you, people pay with phones now, don't they? They don't pay with wallets anymore, or money. Cards. I still carry a card and stuff, and money. Whoa, 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 whoa. Here's the air conditioner.
Turn off the air conditioning.
We have a Dalek in the room. Where's the air conditioning? Now the lights don't work. This air conditioner talks. I'm gonna get back in bed. Fully clothed. All we got was a talking air conditioner that was talking down a pipe, sounded like a Dalek. I can see why it was made under an hour. No blood. No one got killed. No one even got froze to death. That would have been a better death. What did you guys think of this? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to check out the original video if you've got time to waste. And I'll see you in the next reaction.